The meaning of Avazera actually comes from two words, Ava, which means to give life, and Zera, which means the seed. And what we want to do is to plant the seed of wellness in every individual so that the best version of themselves can blossom. It all started when my firstborn son was born with severe allergies, and we discovered this because he had very bad eczema. He was allergic to everything pretty much, dairy, wheat, eggs, nuts. And the allergist told us, please don't give him anything from the grass family, which meant no rice and no corn. And as you can imagine, everything we were eating was taken off the table. We were devastated. My first thought was, is he ever gonna have ice cream, or is he gonna be a normal kid? And that's how I started to really look for alternative sources of nutrition. In particular, I became passionate about plant-based calcium and plant-based proteins, really finding things that are very nutritious that I could add to his diet because we were eliminating so many things. And that's how we discovered some of the amazing superfoods that Avazera offers, as well as the wellness tea blends. And as we continued on this journey, we started to really incorporate it into our lifestyle. So it wasn't just for him anymore, it was for the entire family. We loved making smoothies together and just enjoying a healthier lifestyle. And that's how Avazera blossomed. We are a Canadian-based company that is dedicated and passionate about bringing the highest quality of products to you. And that's really marked by the Avazera difference. All our products are organic, vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, free of any chemical additives, as well as ethically sourced from all over the world. We are a wellness hub that not only offer feel-good products, but also give access to a variety of wellness professionals, such as holistic nutritionists, yoga instructors, and so much more. As well, we participate in a variety of events to help inspire and connect communities globally. The AZ box was created because we wanted to take the guesswork out of the holistic lifestyle. Each box is co-curated with a holistic nutritionist to incorporate the body, mind, and spirit. Not only does the AZ box include our superfoods and tea blends, but we also provide recipes, how-tos, and wellness essentials that you need on your journey. From myself and Team Avazera, I invite you to join and help grow the wellness community together.